touch, know you will stay by my side.